Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tommie and today I'm doing my December Birchbox. How adorable is this box? It's so cute. I love it. The color is just gorgeous. I love all the different shapes. I'm a fan. So the theme is no matter the festive feat planned or last minute, we hope this box helps the spirited, joyful vibes you sent out this season come back to your full circle. I love that. Adorable. Alright, a treat to our subscribers. It is like very strong in this box. I can smell it. I sure can. Alright, the first thing on the list is the Davroe Luxe Leave-In Masque, which is actually this huge sample. So normally the sample sizes are itty bitty. Sometimes I'm like, why? Like, why did you even send that to us? But this one is actually a really good size. It is a well-being treatment in a Luxe Leave-In Masque, ultimate everyday protector, leave-in conditioner, non-oily barrier. I am so excited. Not only is the packaging absolutely beautiful, this is my favorite color. I absolutely love it, but I love leave-in hair conditioning. Since I do get blonde in my hair, I need this. There's something that my hair will definitely let me know that I've been effing up. But I'm stoked. I'm so glad I got this. This full size is $29. And then it says the fast absorbing leave-in formula locks in moisture and provides UV protection. Work a dime size dollop through the wet or dry hair before styling. So I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. Alright, the next thing I have is the Evologie Intense Blemish Serum. Full size is $35, and there it is. I really like the color of the font. That's so cute. And it just says, aside from obliterating blemishes as if they weren't enough, this serum also treats scars and hyperpigmentation used twice daily under or over makeup. That's really cool that you can throw it over your makeup as well. I'm excited about this. My face has been going nuts. I have zits right here, this whole side here. I get new ones popping up every single day, so I'm so stoked to try this out. And it seems fairly easy to use, and I'm happy I got that. This is a really cool product. I've never even heard of it. Ooh, so this little guy is Level Naturals. It's $16.50 for the full size. Lemon and coconut bath bomb. Like two of my favorite scents. It says recreate your most recent vacation with some fresh and fruity tub time. This all-natural bath bomb contains botanical oils to add aromatic benefits and boost hydration. I'm excited about this. I've never really had a legit bath bomb. I've done like bath salts, all of those, but not like a balm. I always see the videos and I'm like, ooh, that's so neat. I want to try that out. So I'm excited to get that going because, oh, it smells so flipping good. Holy cannoli. That's really good. So the next thing I have is the Marcelle's Ultimate Volume Nano Mascara. So it is in this lovely black packaging. I'm excited. I love getting mascaras. They're absolutely one of my favorite things to get. Full size, it retails for $15. This is actually quite a nice size sample. It's a little bit larger than most samples I do get, and it says don't let its size fool you. This mascara's mini brush is designed to reach even the stubbiest bottom lashes and inner corner with a full feathery look. Ooh, I'm excited. I really want to open it to show you guys the wand, but I don't want it to dry out because I have so many mascaras I need to try, so I don't want to just open it and it go bad. But I love really thin, tiny ones for my lower lash. So that full size is $15. And then the next thing I have is a Whish, which is a botanical primer. I just recently got something from this brand as well. I'm excited to try that out. This brand gets a lot of love, so I'm excited to try out some of their products. So this price is, full size is $35. It says prep your complexion with this primer that balances, moisturizes, and protects using a blend of Japanese honeysuckle, organic safflower seed oil, and sea buckthorn extract. Sounds really interesting. I'm excited. I'm excited to try that out. It is $35 for the full size, which is kind of steep for a primer, but if it's good, it's good. And then the next thing I got was from Birchbox. which is a eyelash curler. The full size is $13 for an eye-opening effect. Gently clamp lashes for the base of your lash line. How adorable is that? I didn't even know they had their own brand, but it's an actual Birchbox brand eyelash curler, and it's such a cute size. I really like it. Oh, that's a nice, it has a really good mechanics to it as well. Ooh, that's nice. You really don't even need a full size. I mean, I feel like this is full size. That's so neat. Birchbox has been giving a lot of bonus items, and I swear they get better and better. And honestly, this box right here is a total win for me. I absolutely love everything I got. I'm so happy that I got leave-in conditioner. I'm so happy to get a Blemish thing. I'm so excited for this bath bomb, mascara, primer, eyelash curler. This whole box is 100% win. I'm so excited. Their last 2 boxes have definitely been a bummer for me, so I was kind of considering getting rid of this subscription, but this is a total redeemable box. I'm so excited. I absolutely love this whole box. Alright guys, and that is it. That is everything I got in my box. I love Birchbox. I mean, $10 and you get all of these goodies. Really can't go wrong. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!